do they call this familiarization?
How are you, sir? After a concert. Give me a big hug, brother.
Hello, coach.
How are you?
Good and you?
Yeah, I saw you.
Content here, coach.
How are you?
Oh, yeah,
I
sorry.
am in my short here.
That's what I'm saying.
You strong, coachy?
Good.
You good, boss?
What's happening?
Oh, good, man.
You what, boss? My name is David. John, yeah, but you change your glasses?
My brother.
Did you play in the Mexico game?
Like I'm gonna take a video of Grant taking a video. Frankie Kana, bro.
What's happening? What's happening? Are you lacquer?
You good, bro?
Let me take content of you as well. This is reporting live from
Cincinnati, Ohio. Tata. Right?
Tata.